Hi everyone, welcome to Techie Hobbies. So if you know me, you know that I've had a very bad experience. When I had purchased a fake watch, and I have even made a video why not to purchase a fake watch. Mainly, it's because of the watch movement, which is made out of cheap parts, and it's just not worth it. And also once you wear a fake product, you know that deep inside you know that you're wearing something which is not original. And but if you don't have that problem, then maybe it's okay to wear it. But otherwise, knowing that you buy something with cheap aftermarket product used or parts used, you would not be happy. But here is an exception wherein I have purchased something. At least the seller is claiming that the watch movement is original, and it's made the remaining things like the dial and the case is aftermarket. So here is let's unbox and see what we have inside. So let's flip the camera and unbox to see what we. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So it's simple packing here. This comes in a plastic box. Of course, the seller has claimed that he doesn't have the original box. Just at the moment only he is the one that is original, and remaining parts which is imported from Hong Kong. So I didn't opt for the steel band or the bracelet that comes with it. So yeah, let's see. So as you can see now that this is actually a Seiko Padi, and that too an orange dial one. I should say that the dial looks really good, and in fact very beautiful dial, and so I don't know if you can see it properly. The part in fact looks really nice. So here is how the watch looks on the wrist. It looks nice even with this leather strap, but like I said, I will be ordering a blue strap for this, and I already have an orange strap with me. So all rubber straps. I like you wearing these divers with rubber straps, so hopefully it will look nice with it. And let's just talking about the measurement. The strap is 22 mm, so I have a lot of options, especially because I have these 22 mm straps with me. So talking about the size, it looks around 42 mm, but not really sure because okay, from this side it's more like 45 mm, and here is the bezel, what is around 42 mm, and so this is it. This is how it looks. So as you can see, the movement is NH36A, which is rebranded as 4R36A, the in-house Seiko's movement. Overall, I am happy with the aftermarket case and dial finish. The quality looks fine to me. So this is how the Seiko looks on orange strap. This is an aftermarket strap, that's why the buckle is black in color. I had bought it for Samsung S3 Frontier, but this is a 22 mm which will fit the turtle very nicely. So once I have that on, you can see that it looks really nice. I hope you guys like my video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe and leave your feedback in comments. Thank you.